Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. In this video, we are going to discuss an extremely important thing, that is TCS DCA salary. And we shall also discuss is it permanent or temporary. So let us start our video. And first of all, here will be component category and here will be annual amount that will be provided to you. So first of all, basic salary. Basic salary will be 1,80,000. And after that, bucket of benefits, it will be 1,20,552 rupees. Now performance pay. And these two things were the part of fixed compensation. And now we are going to discuss performance pay. And performance pay will be of two types. First one, monthly performance. It will be 55,200. And then performance bonus. It will be 40,800. Now CT allowance. It will be 14,400. And now retirals. First of all, there will be provident fund. It will be 21,600. And all these components are annual, not monthly. Now gratuity. Gratuity will be 8,658. Total of annual component and retirals will be 38,158. And you may think that the sum of these is not equal to 38,158. But guys, wait for that. And total salary will be equal to 7,43,238. And now health insurance will be 7,900. And it is also a part of retirals. And the sum of these three, 21,000, 8,000 and 7,900 will be equal to this amount, 38,158. And this is your total salary. And now total gross or CTC, that is cost to company, it will be equal to 7,51,138 because insurance is also included in it. And now afterlife benefit, it will be 2,884 annually. Now the most important thing that you are waiting for, that is elevate incentive. It will be equal to 2,02,028 rupees. And the sum of these components will be equal to 7,51,138. But guys, you cannot conclude if you are selected in DCA. That is, you have cleared both written exam and interview. Then your package will be this. This is not the case. It will depend how much is your current CTC. Because after clearing DCA, they are just giving you elevate incentive. And if your package is already 5 lakh per annum, in that case, your package will be higher than this. And if your annual package is just 3.36, then your package will be less than this. You can just compare this amount with your current salary. You can verify which component from your salary slip is increasing in the salary slip. And by that you can conclude how much will be increment for your salary. And this amount is fixed. This will be for all 3,02,028 rupees. And there will be very little or no difference in other components. But main increment will be this amount, not in this. And friends, now answer of one of the most important question. Is it permanent or is it temporary? So friends, this incentive which is provided to every employee after clearing DCA exam is not permanent at all to any of the associate. It is temporary for all. As soon as you get C-band, your incentive will be revoked. But it will not be recovered from you for the previous month. If you have got the incentive, it's all yours. But after getting C-band, your incentive will be discontinued. Let us suppose a situation, you clear the assessment of September cycle. In that case, your incentive will be applicable from 1st October. Not from the day on which you are getting your final result. Your incentive will be applicable from 1st October. And if you are getting C-band, then your incentive will be discontinued from April month. It totally depends on band or rating that you are getting. So friends, I would recommend you, if you are selected in DC, then focus on your performance so that you can get only A or B band. However, it is very obvious you will take care of that yourself. But still I am saying that you should focus on your performance. So friends, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video and please do subscribe this channel IT India.